What ensures the impressive precision of a sport firearm? The answer lies within the barrel. This is where the so-called rifling comes into play. This intricate system of spiral grooves and ridges ensures that the projectile is set into rotation as it exits the barrel. ECM rifling by EMAG is an innovative process for manufacturing these precision barrels. Our electrochemical process enables the highly precise shaping of almost any internal geometry, whether polygonal, progressive, or conventional rifling. Up to 8 barrels can be processed simultaneously without subjecting the material to mechanical or thermal stress. This results in exceptional repeatability and quality.